Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I will show you really easy step by step how to make these beautiful earrings. They are made only out of two colors of 11/0 seed beads. They are so easy to make. I promise you will be able to make them if you follow this tutorial. And I have another colorful tutorial for yellow and red earrings, and I will post a link here at the eye icon for them as well. So if you like what I'm showing you here, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelry following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page. I always like to see how colors change jewelry beyond any recognition. That is why I'm asking you to share your creations. So now I'm going to start with a list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are only two colors of 11/0 seed beads, ear wires, scissors or an instrument to cut your thread closer to your work like this one, size 10 beading needle. Here I'm using monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and you could use fireline or other beading thread of your choice, and I'm using pliers to squeeze my monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle. And I'm going to start with about an arm span of thread, or even a little bit more than an arm span, to be sure that I will make my earring with one thread. You could always add more thread, and I have tutorials where I'm showing how to add more, but here I prefer to make the earrings with only one thread. So now I will take my thread, put it on my needle. Okay guys, and now I will take one yellow 11/0, one red one, and yellow, red, yellow, red, and I will repeat this 10 times. Now I have 10 yellow seed beads and 10 red seed beads. Okay, and I will slide them down. I will stick my needle in my mat, and here I will make a knot really carefully. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do here is make a loop and go once, then go second time through the same loop I've made, then make sure I'm between those two beads where I started my knot from, and I'm going to pull really tight. Okay, and this is called surgeon's knot or half hitch knot. Okay, now I will go through some beads in this direction. By the way, you could go one more time reinforcing your circle if you want, but here I will take two yellow seed beads, and here you see I'm exiting out of this yellow. If you don't see my thread, here it is, and I'm going back through this yellow and in circle, and I'm adding two yellows, and my goal is to exit out of my next yellow. Okay, then I will take two more seed beads in yellow color, and I'm going back in circle through this yellow and exiting out of the next yellow. And now this is what I have. I will show you one more time. Two yellows, going back through the same yellow and through the following red and yellow, and then I will take two more yellows, going back through the yellow and through the following yellow, red and yellow, and pulling. Okay guys, now I will continue this, and I'll be back when this row is finished, and I will show you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and now I'm here at my last step from this row. And here I'm exiting out of this yellow bead here. You see, here is my thread. It's exiting out of this yellow, and I will go through the next yellow on top of it, and I will step up in my next row. And it's easier for me to flip my work this way. Okay, now I need 2 seed beads going through the next yellow. I'm exiting of one of my yellows here, and I'm going with my next one. Then I will go back through those 2 beads in this direction, and here I'm doing basic herringbone stitch. Okay, and I need 2 yellows going back through this. I'm exiting out of this yellow. Here is my thread, and I'm going back through my next yellow. Okay, then I will go 2 beads in this direction. Okay, this is what I have now. Then I will take 2 seed beads going through the next yellow. Okay, then through those 2 last seed beads here in this direction. Okay, now this is what I have, and I'm taking just 1 red bead, and I'm going like this. Okay, now guys, I'm going down all of those beads. Then I want to exit out of my next yellow bead here. Then I will go through this yellow, and I will repeat the same thing. 2 yellows going down, fixing those beads in that way, and then I'm going up. Okay, and I need 2 more seed beads going down, 1, fixing, and going up 2, just like that. Then I need 2 more going down, 1, and going up through those 2 yellows, just like that. And I'm adding just 1 red. Okay, then I'm going through this yellow, through the red one, and through the following. Okay, if you can do it in one movement, because here is my knot and it's difficult to do it in one movement, I will do it in 2 movements. Then I'm exiting through this yellow here, and I will continue doing this. These 2 times, do it 8 more times, and I'll be back when I'm up to here. Pause this video, make it, and I will meet you here. Okay guys, now I'm exiting out of this yellow bead here, and I need to take 2 red seed beads, and I want to go through the next yellow and through the next red one, just like that. Okay, then I need 5 red seed beads, and I have this red one here, and I'm going back in circle through all of them. Then I'm going through these 3 seed beads, and I need 1 yellow seed bead, and as I'm exiting from this one, I'm going through the opposite one in this direction, and I'm pulling. Now this is what I have. Then I'm going through those 3 red seed beads, then through these 2 reds and through the yellow one, and then I need 2 red seed beads, and as I'm exiting from this yellow, I'm going through this yellow and through the red one here. Okay, then I need 5 more red beads. I'm going back through this red one in circle. Then I need to go through 3 red seed beads. Okay, I'm going through 1 and then through the next 2, and I'm exiting from this seed bead here. Here is my thread that is on the top, and I need 1 yellow seed bead, and I'm going through the opposite seed bead and in the direction where my thread is pointing to, and I'm pulling. Then I need to go through all of those red seed beads from my flower, through all of them that are from the other side. Okay, go through those 2 red seed beads and through this one, and then through the yellow one. Okay, then what I need are 2 red seed beads, and as I'm exiting from this yellow here, I'm taking 2 reds and I'm going only through 1 yellow and through 1 red, and I'm adding them, and I'm pulling. Now what I need are 5 more red seed beads, going back in circle through the red one that I'm exiting out of. Then I'm going through those 3 reds and I'm pulling, and I need 1 yellow seed bead, and I'm going through the opposite red bead in the same direction where my thread is pointing to. Okay, then do the same thing, go through all of those red beads here. Okay, through those 2 reds and through the yellow. Okay, then I need 2 more red beads, and I'm going through this yellow and through the red one, just like that. Okay, then continue doing this until you finish this row, and then I'll be back to tell you how to attach your ear wire. Okay guys, and now I just did my last flower. And I'm pulling my thread, and what I want to do is go here at the top of one of my flowers, okay, and as I'm exiting here, and now what I want to do is take a yellow one, my ear wire, and then again one more yellow seed bead. This is what I have on my needle, and then I'm going back in circle through this red one here, and I'm pulling, and when I pull I have this, and I want to reinforce this part at least 3 times. Okay, and now what I want to do is make some knots, and in order to make some knots I will go in this direction, probably between those 2 seed beads. Okay, and how I'm making a knot, I'm making a loop between those beads and going once, then going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Okay, then I will go through some beads, I will repeat this, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread. Okay guys, and when I repeat all of those steps one more time, my earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.